Elevate your Webflow designs with dynamic icons that visually communicate and guide your users. First, to integrate Font Awesome, you'll need the Font Awesome CD and link. This is the bridge that connects their vast icon library to your Webflow project. Copy the CD and link from the Font Awesome website. Then, in your Webflow project settings, navigate to the custom code section and paste this link into the head code area. Now that Font Awesome is linked, you can begin adding individual icons. You'll primarily use the embed element within your Webflow canvas. Drag and drop an embed element onto your page wherever you want an icon to appear. This element acts as a container for the icon's specific code. Head over to the Font Awesome icon library, browse for the icon you need, and click on it. You'll then see the unique HTML snippet for that particular icon. Copy this HTML snippet and paste it directly into the Embed Elements code editor in Webflow. Upon publishing, your chosen icon will now be visible on your live site. However, the real power of Font Awesome comes with its customization options. You can style your icons using regular CSS, adjust their size, color, and even add spacing directly within your Webflow custom code or by applying classes to the embed element. For instance, to change an icon's color, simply target its class or apply a custom style in Webflow's Style panel. By meticulously styling your Font Awesome icons, you create a cohesive and professional visual experience that enhances your Webflow site's aesthetics and user engagement.